Are you looking to invest in Hawaii but have no idea how it's possible with these high interest rates to possibly cash flow or at least break even with your property that you're investing in? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you this loophole and this new up and coming rental market that may open up some opportunities for you investors out there looking to purchase property out here in Hawaii. So stick around to get all the details. See you on the other side. All right, guys, like I mentioned in this video, we're going to go over a new up and coming rental market. That's something that a lot of people should be interested in, especially if you're an investor and looking to purchase property out here in Hawaii. And this market is called the midterm rental market. Now, before we dive into that, if this is your first time here, I'd like to quickly introduce myself. My name is Patrick Longley. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Oahu, Hawaii. So if you are looking to purchase or sell a property out here in Hawaii, I'd be happy to assist you. I've got my contact information right here, or you can directly DM me on any of my social media platforms. With that being said, let's jump into understanding what this midterm rental market is. Okay, the midterm rental market. Now we need to understand that in Hawaii and in a lot of places in the nation, we basically have three different types of rental markets. The first one is the long-term rental market. That's the traditional one where you usually rent out your property, it's unfurnished, they pay their own bills, and they stay usually between 6 months to a year, sometimes longer. That's your traditional long-term rental market. Then on the flip side, we have the short-term rental market. This is the Airbnbs that everyone's hearing about, where basically people rent it on a daily rate. And this is where you can yield the most money for your rental unit. But it comes with a lot of stipulations, rules, regulations. And if you see my video right here, you know that out here in Hawaii, we have a lot of rules and restrictions when it comes to running a legal Airbnb. Now, the next market and the up and coming one is the midterm rental market. And that's where you fully furnish your property like an Airbnb, but you're going to rent it out usually between 1 and 6 months or 3 to 6 months. You're going to be able to charge a premium because it's fully furnished, turnkey, where someone can move in and they can stay there for, again, 1 to 6 months. Now you're probably asking yourself, who would even rent a place for 1 to 6 months that's fully furnished? Well, let's dive into that. With the way that the world has changed since COVID has come into our lives, we have a lot of different people coming to Hawaii who are very interested in this market. And here are a few of those people. Number one, traveling nurses. Because of COVID, we've had a lot of people, unfortunately, having to go to the hospital, and we didn't have enough nurses to help those patients. So a lot of these hospitals are paying a premium to ship in nurses or traveling nurses that are on contract, and basically they pay them a premium to work out here in Hawaii, live out here in Hawaii, usually on a contract that can be anywhere from a couple months to 6 months to a year, and they're going to pay for their accommodations. But these traveling nurses don't want to rent a place where they have to furnish it because they're going to be leaving in 6 months or so. So this is where the midterm rental landlord or midterm rental investor comes in to fill that void. The second group of people are digital nomads. These are people who are usually entrepreneurs, business owners, and people who basically work from their computer. They may be graphic designers, web designers, or someone again who's just selling stuff online, and they basically can live wherever they want. And a lot of these digital nomads will stay in a place for a couple months and then move on to the next place and basically travel the world. What a life, right? But these people want a place that's fully furnished, and once again, they're fine paying a premium, so they have a place that they can walk in, work, live in Hawaii, and then leave and go to the next place. So this is where, once again, the midterm rental market comes into play. Third group of workers, similar to digital nomads, is remote workers. These are people who have an employer, they're an employee, and the employer has basically told them, hey, listen, you can work from home or you can work wherever you want. As long as you check into our meetings online and get your work done, we don't care where you are. So a lot of people are asking themselves, why would I stay here on the mainland or out here in the cold when I can go live in Hawaii for 3, 6, 12 months and basically live there, work from my computer, and enjoy the sun? And so we're seeing a lot of people moving from the mainland, coming to Hawaii, but maybe not planning to stay here long term, but they want a place, once again, that's turnkey where they can live the Hawaiian lifestyle, but only stay for 3 to 6 months while they work on their computer for their employer. And that's, once again, where the midterm rental market comes into play. The fourth group is retired couples or snowbirds. Once again, retired couples or older couples who want to get out of the snow and find some warm weather will come to Hawaii, and they're not going to stay here. They just want to stay here basically to get out of the cold. They'll enjoy themselves for 3 months, and then they'll go back to their home on the mainland, another place where we can fulfill that void. And the last group is house hunters, or people who want to move to Hawaii who aren't quite ready to actually buy a home. They want to get a lay of the land. So they actually come here, move here, live in a place, don't want to buy all their furniture or ship it all in. They want to kind of explore the island, see if it's a good place for them, see different neighborhoods, maybe do a little bit of shopping, but they don't want to feel rushed in buying a house sight unseen. And this is once again where the midterm rental market comes into play. Now I'll make another video going over the pros and cons, but generally what you want to understand about the midterm rental market is that you once again get to charge a premium. Generally speaking, you can charge anywhere between 1.5 and 2x what a long-term rental would be. So let's say that you have a studio that you can rent in Waikiki long-term unfurnished for $1,500. Well, generally speaking, with the midterm rental market, you can get 1.5 up to 2x what the long-term rental market rate would be. So with that being said, 1,500 at a 1.5x, you're looking to be able to collect $2,250 or upwards of $3,000 a month for your unit if it's fully furnished turnkey, and you basically just have to turn the property just a couple times a month and you get to maximize what you get to receive as an investor. Okay guys, so that is a quick breakdown of this new up and coming market, the midterm rental market. If you are at all interested in purchasing in Hawaii or an investor and want to get involved in this midterm rental market, I'd be happy to assist. Once again, I am a licensed agent. I've got my contact information right here, so feel free to reach out to me, or you can directly DM me or follow me on my social media platforms. Also, if you guys have any questions, comments, I'd love to hear from you guys. So put something in the comment section down below. And if you got any value from this video, do me a huge favor. It really helps with the algorithm. You could smash that like button as well as click the subscribe and notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop videos just like this. I want to be dropping some new videos going over the midterm rental market strategies, what to look out for. So make sure you subscribe so you can get all that information directly to your inbox. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. I'm Patrick with PatrickWallenRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.